Happy holidays from the Reboot.
We are about to pass under the Sanibel Causeway. It's a fixed bridge with 70 feet of clearance. We are 57 feet, so we should be fine. Guess how fast the tide is pushing us?
7.7 knots.
We are flying.
Hurricane Ian destroyed both ends of the causeway and cut off Sanibel from the mainland. Access to Sanibel was restored in an incredible 15 days, but full repairs are ongoing. Repairs continue on the island side as well.
Looking good.
This is the first fixed bridge we've gone under together. You can't just eyeball it. You have to know the heights. Free navigation apps tell you the bridge height. We know it will clear, but we are still anxious.